Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about that delicious fruit, cherries. And I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with cherries. So if you're looking for something a little different to do with them, hopefully this list will help you out. On this list we have allspice, basil, cardamom, cilantro, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, lemon verbena, mint, nutmeg, pepper as in black pepper, rosemary, star anise, thyme, and vanilla. I do hope this helps. Take care. Bye for now.